us through different dimensional planes. Now we're gonna fight back and reclaim our names. He thought he could rid us by feeding his plant, but we survived and we're gonna cook him and dance. We're gonna fry that chicken, grill that chicken. We're gonna slice that chicken tonight. He thinks he can make this world meat-eater free, but best bet we're gonna fry his meat and flee. That chicken stands no chance against three dudes in shades, and now that chick's seen the last of his days. We're gonna cut that chicken, bake that chicken. We're gonna boil that chicken, he won't survive. We're gonna cook that chicken tonight.